Chapter 1. Intro. Here is the situation. It is getting hot again. And I mean properly hot. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Martin. On this channel, we test smart home tech, play with automation, and figure out what's actually worth having and what's just clever marketing. Today's video is a bit different, because this isn't just another fan. This is a smart portable air conditioner. And if it lives up to the claims, this could be a seriously useful bit of kit for summer. I've tested DREO products before, and they were genuinely impressive. So expectations here are pretty high. But let's be honest, most portable AC units tend to be loud, underpowered, or just plain disappointing. So in this video, we're putting it to the test to see, can it actually cool a room properly? Or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's get into it. Chapter 2. Disclaimer. Before we continue, just a quick disclaimer. DREO sent me this AC unit for free so I could test it out. But as always on this channel, they're not telling me what to say, and they have zero influence over the final verdict. So everything you're about to see is based on my honest opinion after using it in the real world. Chapter 3. Unboxing. Let's see what's inside this very heavy box. Starting off with the paperwork, we got a quick start guide, and a full user manual. Then moving on to the accessories, a locking plate with screws, some additional screws with fixings, a butterfly bolt with a metal plate, and even batteries. We've also got the remote control, a wall exhaust fitting, and a drain hose. For the window setup, there is isolation foam and sealing tape. The air exhaust hose, extension plates, and a fabric window seal kit with zip opening. And finally, the main event, the AC unit itself, the DREO Smart Portable Air Conditioner 318S. There is quite a bit included here, but it should all make sense once we start putting it together. So next, let's get this set up and see how straightforward it actually is. Chapter 4. Physical installation. First, prepare a place for the air exhaust hose. In my case, I'm using a balcony door, so I go with the panels designed for sliding windows. These panels cover an opening from around 45 to 85 centimeters. So if your sliding window is larger, you may need additional panels. If you're using a different type of window, there is also a window seal kit included in the box, which should work just fine. Alright, it's time to get to work. Start by installing the isolation foam or sealing tape around the area where the window panels will sit. Next, prepare the panel and fit it into the opening. Then slide the window, in my case the balcony door, back into place to make sure everything is properly sealed and the exhaust opening is not blocked. After that, connect the air exhaust hose. Now insert the provided batteries into the remote control and power on the unit to check everything is working. At this point, you should be able to control the unit from both the onboard control panel and the remote control. And that's the setup complete. Now let's move on to the smart side of the DREO Air Conditioner 318S. Chapter 5. Smart Features. Now let's make things a bit smarter. First, you'll need the DREO app, available on both Android and iOS. Once installed, open it, sign in, or create an account if needed. With the AC powered on, the app should pick it up automatically. If not, just tap the plus icon and add it manually. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and give it a few moments to connect. Once connected, you can assign the unit to a room, select the correct color version of your device, and give it a custom name. And just like that, setup complete. Let's do a quick check. Everything responds as expected. You can control pretty much everything straight from the app. If you're using voice assistants, you'll be happy to know it also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. That means you can control your DREO AC unit using just your voice. Now, let's move on to the more advanced setup, Home Assistant. To get this working, you'll need Hacks, the Home Assistant community store. If you don't have it installed yet, I've got a full step-by-step guide linked in the corner and in the description. Once Hacks is ready, search for DREO and download the custom integration. Next, you'll need to restart Home Assistant. Just confirm in settings and give it a moment to come back online. When it's back up, head over to Devices and Services, click Add Integration, and search for DREO. Log in with your DREO account, complete the setup, and your AC should appear within a few seconds. From here, you can rename it, assign it to a room, and start exploring the available entities. You're now all set to start building automations. Whether that's cooling your room before bedtime or reacting to temperature changes automatically, now that everything's connected and working. Let's see how it performs in the real world. Chapter 6. Review and Testing. First impressions straight out of the box. The build quality feels solid. It is made from high-quality plastic and doesn't feel cheap at all. The touch control panel is located on the upper front of the unit and includes buttons for power, modes, timer, settings adjustment, fan speed, swing function, and sleep mode. Just below that, there is a digital LED display showing all the key information. The main section displays temperature, humidity, or timer, depending on the selected mode, as well as any system alerts if they appear. Above that, you can see the active mode, and on the right-hand side, there are indicators for temperature units, humidity percentage, or the hour indicator. Below, you'll find the fan speed indicator, including auto mode, and along the bottom, icons for Wi-Fi, timer, vertical swing, sleep, eco mode, and filter status. The unit itself is quite heavy, but the built-in side handles and wheels make it easy enough to move around. Installation is very straightforward. No drilling, no permanent setup, and thanks to the included accessories, it works with most window styles. But let's be honest, the real question is simple. Does it actually make a difference when it's hot? So I tested this in real conditions, and within about 10 to 15 minutes, the room already felt noticeably better. The air becomes cooler and much more pleasant. The kind of difference where you can finally sit down, relax, or even sleep properly. One of the biggest concerns people have with portable AC units is the hassle. And this is where the DREO 318S does really well. There is no constant draining to worry about. Even on more humid days, it runs smoothly without leaks or messy water tanks. The only time you'll need to drain it is if you see a P1 warning, or when summer is over and you're getting ready to store it away. Noise-wise, it is quieter than you might expect. It is absolutely usable in a bedroom or home office. You're aware it's there, but it's not intrusive. And when it comes to control, you've got options. You can use the onboard panel, the remote, the mobile app, voice assistant, or integrate it into your smart home ecosystem. Chapter 7. Conclusion. So, how does it stack up? For UK homes, this just makes sense. We don't typically have built-in air conditioning, and installing a traditional system can be expensive, complicated, or simply not allowed. But at the same time, summers are getting hotter, and those upstairs rooms can quickly become unbearable. This is exactly where the DREO 318S fits in. It gives you a practical, low-hassle way to cool down a room without major installation or long-term commitment. You set it up, turn it on, and within minutes, the space feels much better. No complicated setup, no constant maintenance, no stress. The drainage-free design and smart moisture management mean you can just let it run, even during humid days, without worrying about leaks or emptying tanks. And because it's portable, you can use it where you actually need it most. Bedroom at night, office during the day. On top of that, the smart features add real convenience. App control, voice assistant, and smart home integration mean you're not tied to the device. You control it your way. And one small thing, but actually very handy, is the magnetic shelf for the remote control, so it's always within reach and doesn't get lost. Overall, this feels like a very well thought out solution for UK summers. Simple to use, effective when you need it most, and designed to fit into real everyday life. And if you're thinking about getting one for yourself, there is a special discount available for my viewers. You'll find all the details, links, and discount information in the video description below. Chapter 8. Thank you. And that wraps up this video, but before you go, I want to hear from you. Would you actually use a portable AC like this? Or are you sticking with fans or built-in systems? And more importantly, would you connect it to your smart home or just use the remote? Please drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're into smart home tech, automations, and honest reviews like this, make sure you're subscribed. Big thanks to DREO for sending this unit over for testing. And of course, a huge thanks to all of you for watching and supporting the channel. It truly means a lot. If you'd like to support the channel even further, you can become a member or check out the links in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart. Stay comfortable. And keep it cool.